Hey, this is China, check it out, my Hobonichi order arrived! That's so exciting. Okay, so I'm just gonna skip the whole talking about the box thing because, you know, I've done that before and you've probably already seen that in other videos. I'm just gonna go right into the unboxing now. Alright, awesome, right? Okay, I'm so excited about this. I have not peeked at all, I wanted to open this with you guys. Woo! Okay, so these folders, I already have these already. If you watched my first unboxing video, oh, Doraemon! So this is a folder set by Now Sakamoto, and this is a set that fits in the A5 covers. I got this before, but I love these folders so much, so that's why I wanted to pick up a second set. So you get this really cute one with all these cats on there, and then one with the other animals. They're super, super adorable. I showed them in my other haul video, and I loved how they had gold foil on the little bows, right? And also the designs are super cute too. They're just absolutely adorable folders. So there you go, the Now Sakamoto folder set. Okay, so clear cover on cover for my A6, all right? Not super exciting, but you know, I just wanted to protect my covers. And then a clear cover for the week's book. Ah! Oh my god, I've been waiting for you guys. So this is my Doraemon cover. This is the I Am Doraemon cover. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm so excited about this cover that I bought all this like Doraemon stickers and stationery and stuff because I just was so excited about this release from Hobonichi. Oh my goodness gracious. I've been waiting for you, bud. Alright. So this little guy, as I mentioned before, this cover is called I Am Doraemon, and this artwork here is from an oil painting that was done just for Hobonichi. So really cool. I love how you get this sort of a textural look in the print there. Beautiful. I love this. He's so cute. I love his face. He's so cheerful, eh? Aw, he's so sweet. And then you got a little print of him in there. Isn't he cute? He's totally adorable. I love his little smile. And there's a little message in there, right? And then here it has the company name there. And then you get the little card. The little life book card there. There you go. And then the ribbon bookmarks are round. It's kind of a nod to his spherical hands. They're saying that on their website. So cute, eh? The little round little charms there. Because of his little hands, which you can't see here, but he's super cute. I think he's so sweet, eh? Very cute. I love this cover. I'm so happy with it. All right, next up, some packing paper. Oh! Okay, so here it is. This is the balloon gift set. Oh. See, I was worried that this box would get all dented up in the mail, but it looks like it's not all dented up. This is a matte finish box. It's not coated paper or anything like that. Beautiful. There's a silver foil print on there by Makoto Kagoshima. I learned about this artist last year when they had the Cat Trio cover and the Birdflower Willow cover by the same artist, and I just fell in love with this artist's work. I actually thought this artist was a woman, but actually on Hobonichi's website somewhere I read that this is a man. Makoto Kagoshima is actually a man, so totally made a mistake there. Ooh! That was my Doraemon. I caved and I got the Doraemon weeks too. Okay, let me move the box. Alright, so this is a freebie that you get with the purchase of the gift set. When you buy the gift set, you get the little bear paperweight. This is the Not Scary Bear paperweight. You don't get a free pen with this, which is kind of surprising to me just because this is so expensive, but you do get the little bear, and here he is. I've shown him before. You've probably seen him in a lot of haul videos. He's very, very cute and very charming. Okay, I'm going to open this box here. So you get one of these little guys. I'm going to just keep them packaged because I might give this away. I do have several now. And then here's my Doraemon weeks. Oh man, he's so cute! And then I got a few accessories, just a little bit. So here are the things that I picked out. I already have this. This is the schedule seal sticker sheet, but they call this, on their website, they call this Hobonichi Stickers Life. It just says schedule seal up here, right? On that little part right there. But on their website, this one's called Life, and you get all these cute little tiny images on clear sticker paper. I just thought they were really cute. So I bought this in my first haul, and I just really liked them, so I bought a second set. Hey, so that's those stickers. So next up I got these here, and on the website they call these see-through dot stickers, but you can see here it says see-through point sticker. I have these already in the other colorway. The other colorway is called Pastel. Let me just show you those. So this is a set called Pastel. I've already used a bunch of these, and I use them to highlight dates usually, right? You can use them for other things. You can use them to make lists and stuff too, right? Because you could write on them. And this is the colorway that they call Neon, even though I don't really like neon colors, to be honest with you, but in the picture, it didn't really look neon to me, so that's why I picked these up. They just look like fun, bright colors. So there you go, a little color comparison for you. Hey! So there you go, those are the see-through dot stickers or see-through point stickers, and they're from the company called High Tide. And that company also made these here. Let me just move these sticker sheets out of the way. So High Tide, the company that made those see-through dot stickers, they also made this thingy here. I've never bought these before. These are the landscape index tabs, and Hobonichi has these in 3 colors. They have blue, which is called Waves, and green, which is called Forest, and orange, which is called Sunset. So I wanted to get this set because I wanted to use these with my Doraemon weeks. I thought they would look so cute with this because of the blue coloring. So I'll set this up in another video so you guys can check that out if you want to see what these will look like together. But I think they'll look really cute, and you can just see already that I think they'll look pretty cute. So these are plastic, and they have tiny little numbers here from 1 through 12. There you go. So I think that'll look really cute with this weeks here. All right, let's check this out. Got a free pen again. Awesome, awesome. I love the free pen. Okay, great. So this week's is called, I'm going to say the name wrong, I'm sure. Honwaka Papa Doraemon. I'm really bad at pronouncing names. Honestly, I keep saying names incorrectly. I don't mean to do that, but I do say names incorrectly a lot of the time. For example, I keep saying Stife, but I believe the pronunciation is actually Steif. So that just shows you how little I know, right? And then you get this awesome flyer. I've showed this in another video, but I just absolutely love this flyer. I think this is so sweet. And I'm so happy to have multiples of this flyer. I love this. Especially because of the cat and dog, of course. See there? There's a little image here. I love that image there. And then this image here, I just love this. Happy Nothing Special Day. How cute, eh? So there's a flyer. Alright, check them out. Oh man. Okay, so when I was reading about the material, because I did pick up the clear cover for this week's book, right? Because I wasn't 100% sure what the material would feel like, although in their item description they did put synthetic canvas. And that made me think of my Bear Weeks from last year, because that one also was described as synthetic canvas, right? But I just wasn't 100% sure, and that's why I just thought I'd pick up the clear cover for the weeks anyways, just because I didn't want to kind of regret not buying it, you know what I mean? So I just picked that up anyways, because it was a couple bucks. It's not that expensive for the clear cover, right? But actually this is very much like the Bear Weeks from last year, so if you got that one, then this is very similar in feel. You can kind of get away with not using the clear cover because it just feels like you can wipe it down, you know? Like it's hard to describe, but kind of has that feeling of like a canvas for a painting or something, you know? Like it has a slight coating. So if you get a little dirt smudge on it, you can probably just wipe it off. I love this cover. Isn't he cute? I just love this little guy. He's so sweet. I love his expressions. He's very expressive and very cheerful, you know? Another video, I'm going to talk about the way I'm going to be using my Hobonichis, because this is my second weeks from the 2019 lineup, and then I have, you know, the A6 and the A5, and now also the 5-year Techo, right? So I'm going to talk about how I'm going to use them, because some people do ask me that from time to time, how I use them and how I keep up with them. So I do want to talk about that in a future video. I did a flip through of the different Hobonichi books, so I'll link to that video if you want to check it out, but just to show you real quick, this one, when you open it, has a little hobo pattern paper, totally cute, right? And then you get the yearly calendars, right? The little tracking page there, or the tracking layout there. And then you get monthly view calendars. And it starts in December of 2018, right? And goes to March 2020. There you go. And then the weekly view, you can start using this in November, from November 26th, as you can see there, which is so awesome, because who wants to wait till next year to use this awesome stuff, right? I want to use it now, really, but you know, we have to start using this in November, so that's awesome. And then this goes until January 5th of 2020. Yeah, there you go. And with these weeks books, you can only get Monday start. So Monday's at the top of the week, and then the weekend is together at the bottom. And then you get your little note section, and then the specialty pages at the back, the informational pages at the back, right? I talked about that in my other video. And then with the weeks, you get these items here. You get the little clear pocket, right? So you can stick that in your cover if you want, because it's got a sticky back, right? You can stick that in your cover if you like. And then you also get the railway map of Japan. This is a laminated railway map. If you don't need this, you can always cut this up and use it for collage purposes if you like. There you go. Alright, so you can kind of just imagine what this will look like. I think this is going to be really cute, actually. The blue with my Doraemon weeks. Awesome, I'm so happy with this. And this. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, so let's get to the gift set now. Super exciting. I actually didn't even want the 5-year Techo, but Hobonichi just totally got me with this gift set. So it's got this plastic band right here. It might be hard to see just because, you can see it there. This plastic band to hold things closed. Just gonna slide it off. Actually, before I open the gift set, I just want to show you guys the folder because I didn't open the package of folders before. So this is what the cat one looks like. Totally cute. I have some stickers in there already. Alright, so there's a front. They're absolutely adorable. And then here's the back. Cute little cats. I love this folder. And then this one here, I love this one too. So cute. The design is so sweet. I really, really love these. And they're not expensive at all, you know? Awesome, right? Okay, so that's the folder set. Okay. So, this has a little ribbon at the bottom here. Okay. So you can see the design on the front with the birds there. Beautiful, eh? Just beautiful. I'm not sure if I mentioned this before, but this set is called Bloom. Okay, so here goes. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, look at that. So the inside here has a pansy and bumblebee pattern, eh? On the inside of the box there. See that? Ooh, this is nice. So this here is a little paper card. It comes in a bag. Comes in a little bag. You said you could use this as a bookmark if you like, or as a little card you can send to someone, but I'm totally keeping this. Okay. Oh, and it has a silver foil on this as well, just like the front of the box, the top of the box. Look at that. Beautiful, eh? Nice. Okay. Oh, the cover. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Okay. Oh, right. Okay, so you get this. You get the pencil board. This is the matching pencil board. Matches the inside of the box. So it's got the pansy and bumblebee pattern on there. And then the back is cream colored. Has today in a little tab, the little blue tab there. And then Makoto Kageshima's signature is in the bottom left corner with Hobonichi. Awesome. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Okay. Woo! Okay. Totally gonna open that last. Alright. So here is the 5-year Techo. It's hefty, man. It's got a clear plastic band on it. I mentioned this in other videos. When they first announced the 5-year Techo last year, I was just thinking, you know, I don't want to look at the same notebook for 5 years, right? So that's why I didn't want to buy this, but they totally got me with this gift set. Okay, so we get the 5-year Techo in this little yellow box. I'm going to totally save this box as well. And this 5-year Techo is from 2019 to 2023, which you can see there. Okay. Oh, so nice that they put it in its own little box there. Okay. Ooh. So I did a little bit of research before I sat down to record this because I wanted to give you guys some info, right? So this is a kind of a user manual here. So we've got this guy holding his 5-year Techo there. Nice. An illustration of the 5-year Techo. I'm guessing this is all in Japanese. Yeah, it looks like it's all in Japanese, and they show you the layout there. So this Techo, I'll just do a quick flip through of it later. It has the same grid as the A6 Techo, the Japanese one, and the A5 Techo. So it's a 3.7 millimeter grid, and it's cream colored paper, not white like the A6 and the A5. A little usage example there, eh? I saw this on their, I think I saw this on their Instagram. This shows you the special info pages, I think. Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember reading about this on the website. Okay, there you go. So a little user manual for you. Okay. So they mentioned this on their website. This is a test sheet of paper. They give you a 2-page spread so you can test out your pens and inks and see what bleeds through and what works well on the Tomoe river paper. Is that neat? So you got a 2-page spread there. Just to test out your pens. Isn't that great, eh? Print on the bottom. There you go. Nice touch. And then there's a 5-year Techo. Ooh. Okay, so. Oh wow, it's so thick, eh? It's thicker than I thought it was going to be. You got the years printed on the spine there in gold. Looks like gold foil. Very nice. I don't particularly love the look of this cover on its own, to be honest with you. So I'm glad to have this. Right now, the only other covers that you can get for the 5-year Techos are leather ones, aside from this one, but this one only comes in the gift set. You cannot buy this separately, eh? That's what the front looks like. I'm going to do a flip through of this in another video, but I just want to give you a quick look at it. Okay, so the end paper has this kind of like a light craft, it looks like. Ooh. Grid is in gray. Oh, nice. Somehow this looks more spacious to me than I imagined. Because when I saw the pictures on the internet, when I saw the pictures online, it just looked sort of small to me, right? But actually, it looks more spacious than I thought. And if you want, you can get the A5 version, right? But this cover only comes in the A6 size. Ooh, wow. This thing is thick, man. Okay, so there you go. There's a 5-year Techo. Ooh. Oh, and it has I read on the website that it has a brown ribbon bookmark there. In the past, when I saw pictures of the 5-year Techo, I thought the cover was black, honestly, but this is actually a dark brown color. There you go. And the box has a message on the inside, printed in silver foil. I don't know what it says, but that's a nice touch. Okay, so there we go. There is a 5-year Techo. So when I was looking at this before, I was thinking, I mean, I love the way this looks, eh? But I was wondering if I just got a weird one where the embroidery was kind of off to the right, but I wonder if it kind of will balance out more once the Techo's in there, just because this thing is a lot thicker than I thought. So let's open this up. All right, so this is a linen cover, an embroidered linen cover. Woo! Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. Oh, it's beautiful. Embroidered. Ooh, I love embroidery. I love embroidery. It has such a nice texture, you know, you just want to run your fingers across it. And I love how in the description they mentioned that the birds each have a different expression and the flowers, the pink flowers, each have a different expression. I thought it was cute how they describe the flowers as having expressions. So you can see the birds close up. It's so sweet. This little guy on the right has his eyes closed. And then the flowers, the centers are different, see that? The number of dots are different. It's so cute. That's just beautiful, eh? So you can see that there's only one pen loop instead of the 2 pen loops that are on most Hobonichi covers. They actually call this a pen hook. They say that this is a pen hook that can hold a pen by its clip. So you're not really meant to put a pen in there fully, but just hang the pen by its clip on there. And then you can see the inside cover is very simple in design. There are no pockets on the side there or on the back. And then there's Makoto Kageshima's signature and Hobonichi there. And then this here is the bookmark. Look at this little tassel on the end. So there's a tassel, beautifully. You just want to like pet it. So in this one, you only have the 1 bookmark. You don't need 2 for the 5-year Techo, right? That's what it looks like close up. And then the inside here, this is polyester, and then the rest of it is linen. Beautiful. It's just so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna try to put the Techo in there, huh? Okay. Okay, there it is. And I do think it does look more balanced out once the Techo's in there, because this Techo is quite thick. See that? Look at that. Wow. It just looks so beautiful, and just to hold this, it just feels very special to me. There's the bookmark. Right? I marked Wilbur's birthday. They're saying on the website that the cover might not stay flat or stay closed very well at first, right? But then it kind of like wears in, you know. But it seems like it's staying closed pretty well, I think. Look at that. Oh, it's just stunning. That's beautiful. I really love it, eh? I am really glad that I got this. I wasn't sure at first because I was like, it's so expensive, and I wasn't sure if I was going to use it enough to really justify the purchase, but I do think I'm going to use it, and I'm going to talk about how I'm going to use this in a future video. But I am really happy with this. I love it. And the back is plain linen. There's no pocket or anything like that. It's not really something that I would use as a planner where I need to put stuff in the pockets anyways. This is going to stay like on my desk, you know what I mean? It's just stunning though. I love it. I am so happy with that I bought this. I love it. Alright, so yeah guys, my Hobonichi haul featuring Doraemon and Bloom. I'm so excited about this stuff. Anyway, just want to say thanks for watching, and hopefully catch you next time. Alright, bye!